how to buy crazy cattle 3D token. So this token came under the symbol of cattle. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on by this token, go on engage with the X community. As you can see, they have 216 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 day ago and it increased by 400% in less than 4 hours. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this is also going to click on it. Now click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. After that, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy cattle token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.